right? But then the ship crashed, so they landed in like this random like island place, and then in it there were like those native people that lived in the islands. The cats with them, they're like cannibals, right? So they're either like they're all scared, and then the chief goes, "You had to choose either death or
I know
Bufu."
this one.
I know. And he goes, "Which one do you choose?" Right? And the first guy comes up, he's like, "Dude, like I have a family, I have kids, like I'm not ready to die yet, I have a long life ahead of me." He goes, "I choose Bufu." And then everyone, and the chief goes, "Oh, he chooses Bufu." And everyone around him goes, "Bufu, Bufu, Bufu." And then 10 guys come out and butt.
Okay.
What? And then he like crawls to the side. The second guy comes out and the chief goes, "Do you choose death or Bufu?" And then the guy goes, "Oh, like I have a good job, I'm rich, I don't want to die yet." So he goes, "Okay, I choose Bufu." 100 guys come out and butt. You know, and then so, and then he goes to crawls out to the side, and the chief goes to the third guy, "Do you choose death or Bufu?" And the guy goes, "I'm not about to be by 1,000 guys." He goes, "I'd rather choose death." And then the chief goes, "He chooses death by Bufu."
That's already on YouTube.